In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trainerize as a coach. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, onboard a client, build and schedule workouts, and keep everything running smoothly inside the app. Start by creating your coach account. Head to the Trainerize website, choose Start Free Trial or Sign Up, and enter your business details. From there, set up your coach profile and upload a professional photo. Keep your bio short and specific so clients understand your coaching style at a glance. Next, dial in your business settings. In Settings, update your business name and logo, set your correct time zone, and configure payments if you plan to sell programs or subscriptions. Consistent branding, including your colors and icons in the app branding section, helps your client experience feel polished and trustworthy. Now add your first client. Go to Clients and select Add New Client. Choose whether they're a one-on-one client or if they'll access a group program. Enter their details and send the invite. A quick note in the invite explaining what to expect on day one can reduce confusion and support a smooth onboarding. With your client ready, create or import workout programs. Go to Programs and click New Program. Choose a master program if you want something reusable across many clients, or a client program if you're building something personalized. Add weeks and workouts, then pull exercises from the Trainerize library or upload your own videos for a custom touch. Open your program to build workouts. Click Add Workout, choose a training type like strength, circuit, or interval, and add exercises, customize reps, sets, tempo, rest, and instructions so clients know exactly how to execute. Save each workout and use clear naming to keep your library organized. Schedule the plan on your client's calendar. Open their profile, go to the calendar, pick a date, add the workout, and click Schedule. Repeat for the full training block. Batching a week or a month at a time helps you stay consistent and saves time. Set up nutrition and habits in the Nutrition tab. Decide whether your client will log meal photos, track calories and macros, or connect MyFitnessPal. Add daily or weekly habits like steps, water, or sleep to reinforce lifestyle change. Keep communication active in messages. Send a welcome note, schedule check-ins, share voice notes, and use progress reminders. Automated messages can handle onboarding touchpoints, freeing you to coach. Finally, track results and adjust. In progress, monitor body stats, weight, photos, personal records, compliance, and training volume. Then, from the client's calendar or program, edit workouts, swap exercises, shift days, and progressively overload based on the data. Iterate regularly, and your clients will feel guided every step of the way.